Hello guys, so welcome to KO Tutorials. So let's continue with the next part of this tutorial. So let's get started. So as you can see over here, we have started the texturing part for this bedroom design over here, interior. So let's continue the texturing over here. Very first of all, we'll be texturing this uh, chair over here. Let's go into material and let's again take V-Ray material, go into the diffuse bitmap, and let's take a fabric over here. I'll take this fabric texture over here for this, select this, and I'll give a UVW map, set it as a box and increase its height. Select this UVW map, set it as a box and increase its height. After that, let's go over here and let's take a normal bump and connect it with a bump map, normal bitmap, and fabric 7 normal, and over here fabric 7 will be taking it as a roughness, that is your bump. Select this material, will be assigning a wood material over here. So let's take again a V-Ray material, diffuse bitmap, and let's go into the wood part over here. So we can assign this white wood also, or you have another wood, wood 1, wood 1 diffuse, wood diffuse, wood 1 diffuse. So let's take this white wood texture over here and let's assign a UVW map, and I'll set this as a box. Same thing, select this, assign this wood texture, UVW map, and set this as a box over here. So you can easily assign this wood material. So let's see if we have some better wood material. You can check out that also. First save your file, go into this. So there are a lot of materials all mixed up, you can segregate it. So wood 1, diffuse white wood, and wood 2 diffuse. Okay, we can take this also, not a problem. I think we'll go with this. So much better now over here. So now what we have done over here is like, I'm going to just texture this. So as you can see, I have assigned a wooden texture over here. So that's your wood 2 diffuse over here. Now again I'll go into this normal bump over here. Again I'll connect this with a normal bitmap and wood 2 normal, and also with this the roughness, we need a roughness over here. So we'll be assigning this roughness over here, that's your wood 2 bump. And if you want a bit of reflections, you can just go into this and give a bit of reflections. So on any of the wood textures you need a bit of reflection, you can just go into the reflection panel and give a bit of reflection over here. So once you have assigned this, it is definitely going to give you. Now let's texture this curtain over here. Let's go into material and let's assign again a V-Ray material over here for the curtain bitmap, and again we'll go with the fabric over here. That's your fabric 1, fabric 2 diffuse, fabric 3 diffuse. So I'm just checking that. Fabric 4, fabric 6, fabric 5, and your fabric 7. So what I want over here is like I want to texture this stuff over here. So we need a bit of a light color curtain over here. So let's go into this material, none, and let's check out this. So fabric 1 won't go with this. Fabric 2, we can go with the fabric 2, that's also good over here. We can assign a fabric 2 over here. Texture this and go into this. You can give a bit of refract a bit for transparency over here in this way. You can assign this kind of a texture if you want, or if you want to go with some other texture, let's check out with some other texture also. So fabric 1, fabric 2, fabric 3, 4, you can go with this also. Let's check out how it looks like. We'll go with the first one, that was much better. Second one, same thing, assign it over here in this way. Select this, let's select the polygons over here and let's assign a glass material for this. So V-Ray material over here, and let's go into this refract and assign a glass material over here. Just assign a glass material, rename it as glass. Okay. Now I'll go into this, I'll press Ctrl I invert and I'll give a white material, and also with that I'll give a bit of reflection to it for a kind of a wooden frame over here. Right click and isolate this. So as you can see over here, what we have generated over here in this way. So definitely we can work more with the textures if it is required over here. So guys, if you have any doubts, please write it in the comment section over here.